Number 6 remedy or remedy for planet Venus. Indeed, the planet that gives you all the zing, all the luxuries in life. So if you're born on 6th, 15th or 24th of any given month, or you're looking for that X factor in your life to have that all the luxuries, then stay with me. I'm about to share remedies for number 6. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. Thanks for joining in this episode, and if you have not subscribed to this family, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so you get the notifications every week about the episodes we release here in English and Hindi every Wednesday and Sunday. Let's dive in. In this series on remedies, so far I have shared about number 9, 8 and 7, and today's number 6. So if you're born on 6th, 15th or 24th of any given month, or your entire date of birth as to 24, then from numerology perspective, you're number 6. But from astrology side, planet Venus. Now, the beauty of number 6 is it's beautiful. It gives you that eye for perfection. It gives you that eye of presentation in your own creative way, in a unique way. That is Venus. And Venus is luxury. Venus is money. Venus is wealth. Venus is beautifying things in a way and presenting it with that unique creativity of your own. Now, if in your life you feel that suddenly you are stuck in the way that either you're facing health issues, or you feel the money is stuck, or you seem to be overwhelmed with the responsibilities and the list of your chores never seem to come to an end, you feel like you're always running. Number 6, irrespective whether it is placed in your astro script in a right positive way, or it is giving you the negative impact, or the hits on these planets, irrespective. I'm not going to dive into that because it may create confusion. Just for simple thought on this series is whether you know your real date of birth, it's great. If you don't know the Kundali is right, the astro script is correct. Or people may have prescribed to wear opal or white sapphire or diamond, but you seem to have felt the situations worsen after you wore those stones. Or you have lost faith into astrologers, numerologists, or these healers, but you do know there is a problem in your life. The problem is related to health, or suddenly you feel stuck. Or you're missing that factor of the Venus, the zing, that luxury in your life. You feel like you're barely making it. So if you're looking for that luxury in your life, so if you're born on 6th, 15th or 24th, or your date of birth adds to 6 series, or if you don't know your date of birth, but you do know what is luxury. If you're missing that luxury in your life, in your health, in your emotions, in your professional life, in your personal life, you're missing that zing factor, or you can call it X factor, then on the screen, you see that Vedic beej mantra, Om Sham Shukrai Namah. You have to say this mantra 45 days, 108 times daily. You have to say it in the morning. Now, let's say if you forgot for a day, the next day you recite this mantra 108 times twice. And you can continue doing it. Ideally, it would be light a diya or a candle and then chant. It takes you only 2-3 minutes, but given the busy lives, you are in and about, doesn't matter, just chant silently 108 times with faith. And when I say with faith, because these are Vedic beej mantras, and Brahma ji had a pact with all these planets or the grahas that anyone who will chant their beej mantra, the core mantras, these planets will not implicate any negative influence upon those people. Now, whenever you are chanting, you're invoking their energies. So whether you don't know this planet Venus is placement in your horoscope is good or bad, or you don't even want to believe in it, irrespective, you do want to have the luxury. That factor in your life that you feel you have the luxury, you don't have to just struggle to make the ends meet. In that situation as well, and in that case, irrespective what's your date of birth, doesn't matter. As long as you need luxury in your life, you can chant 45 days, and if you see positive results, you can continue chanting. But just to know, this chanting doesn't give any harmful results, because they are beej mantra, Vedic mantras, the natural mantras in its raw form, which they, with the promise that they will give you the positive results. Now, many of you may say, how? Well, again, you have to chant with the trust and then share with me in comments the results. Now, many of you may not believe in the Hindu religion. Many of you may have doubts as well. But the simple tip, the bonus tip here. But before I do that, leave me the comments that you're about to share, and you have shared the episode with your friends and family, because as I say, one person is alone, but when two people come together, it's a team. But more people join, it becomes a family. And we here at Invincible Family believe in sharing because we care. Together, we can reach many more and help them. So if you are looking for that luxury in your life, what you can do is make it a routine. Every Friday, wear clean clothes. Washed, ironed, nice light color clothes, white, off-white, light pink, light yellow, light orange, beige, mauve, but avoid black, dark colors, red, dark blue, or even dark brown. Wear light colors. Friday is the day for planet Venus. We also call Lakshmi Ji's day. Through every week, as long as you follow this, every Friday, light colors, and then spray one of the best perfumes you can get your hands on. The designer brands, the better, because the luxury is the high brands. So if you spray that is, you are maintaining your luxuries consistent basis, because that is one of the bonus tip. And as I say, it's part of the consult. We are family, so I'm sharing here. Start doing it and let me know how you feel. But again, just to recap, you chant 108 times this Vedic beej mantra. You can use the beads, Rudraksh or Tulsi, or just count on your fingers. Chant every day for 45 days. You will see the changes. You can continue chanting more. It doesn't harm. And if you skip, you can recite next day twice. Try to go consistently doing every day, because it just takes a few minutes. Do leave me the comments what the results you saw. And going forward, as we are getting closer to Dhanteras and Diwali and the New Year approaches, you know me, I'll be sharing you much more content and bringing you that big bang Diwali episodes. Until next week, take care.